Good morning, everybody. Mark with Red Star Loft. Bright and early, 6 a.m. Time to pack up the birds and go for a 6-mile toss today. So, let this guy out. There they are. Taking them for a few tosses recently. Didn't want to just keep recording and posting the same stuff over and over, but they've been doing better than that. Ooh. Yeah, you guys saw that? He was excited to go. Did not expect that at all. Oh, there he is. It's one of the ones that I take for a toss. Flew right into me. Well, I guess he's going to be flying around today while the other ones go for a toss. But, as I was saying, they are doing better and better. And taking them for a 6-mile today. That same spot that I kept recording from, they kept taking forever. And I took them out to the same distance, just a different location. Couple of times, and yeah, both times they came home same time as me, so they're doing good and they're ready to kind of up that distance a little bit. So we're gonna go do that now. I'm gonna pack them up and then I am gonna get back with you guys, so bear with me. All right, here we are. 14 birds instead of 15. One, like you guys saw, still kind of surprised over that. Flew right at me and out the door. So I have no idea where he's at. But what I'm gonna do is open this little hatch for when they come back, as well as open this while I'm gone. They have the freedom to leave, and I think most of them do leave, so by the time I come back, see, there they go. They don't even wait for me. I don't have to push them out anymore. Most of them just fly out all on their own. There we go, see? Yeah, so some of them still do go onto the roof here, but a lot of them do take off. But I'm happy with their progress, because they're kind of progressing all on their own. Now that they've left, I'm gonna just push the rest of these guys out so that I can close the door. Come on, Lazy. Let's go. These high flyers are supposed to be up in the air for hours and hours. And the ones that my parents, or the ones that my dad and my father-in-law have, they do stay up in the air for hours and hours. But the ones that I have, if I'm lucky, 30 minutes. So yeah, not the proudest couple of flyers, but these guys are doing good, so that's all that matters. Better be out of there before I come back. Alright. Oh yeah, before I pause, I'm just going to show you guys the injured bird. So, there they are. His leg is definitely broken. I felt it, and yeah, it's broken, and it is quite swollen. Shoo. Get back. Sorry. Yeah, if you look at it, it is very much swollen compared to the right one. But yeah, it's broken right above the ring. The good news is that he is eating and drinking pretty well. His poop has been very green ever since his leg broke. I'm guessing that's something due to stress and pain. But just in case, I've been putting 5-in-1 in his water. So, like I said, he's eating, he's drinking, so I feel like it's just a matter of time before he's all better. But still in here, probably gonna be in here for a little while longer. So, but yeah, like I said, I'm gonna go do a 6 air mile toss. It's about 8, roughly 8 miles by car, 6 miles by air exactly. So I'm gonna load up the birds, guys, and as soon as I find my key, you can see the sun coming out just over the house. And there's one. There's about 5 or 6 of them on the roof. There's 2. There's a few more. So they're flying. They're around here. Anyways, these guys are loaded. And I will be right back with you guys, so hang tight. What's up, everybody? Here we are, pulling up. It's a Greek church that has a big baseball field and a tennis court and soccer fields and just kind of a park and picnic area. So great spot for a toss, nice and quiet place, a little bit of woods around. Let me just park real quick. I'll let the birds sit for about 7 or so minutes before letting them out. So you can see the sun's almost breaking through those clouds. Let's get these guys out of here. What's up? My dad said he was gonna come with me to this toss, but I knew he wasn't. He likes to take advantage of his weekends and sleep in, so yeah, I knew that was just his wishful thinking. But you know, I got Formula 1 starting at 8 o'clock, so I'd rather do the release early in the morning while it's cooler than wait until 10, 11 o'clock when it's warmer and busier and more people everywhere. And so I'm just gonna pop them right down here. And I'm gonna sit right over there for a few minutes. So home is straight that way. I'm sure they're gonna circle around for a while to get their bearings in order, but alright guys, I'll be back in about 7 minutes or so. Alright, it's been 7-8 minutes since we got here, so I think it's safe to see if we can let them out. The sun has hidden a little bit, which is good for visibility. Yeah, they're calm for a minute and then they go at each other for a minute. You ready? Oh, yeah, look at him waiting. Go on. Go on, what are you doing? Look at these dummies. Look at these dummies. Wow. You've done this 6 times so far. Can't believe it. Wow. Yeah, there's always slowpokes. But there they are up there. Surprised that those three fell behind, but we'll watch them for a minute or two. Nothing too long. Let them out at 8:57 or at 7. Well, at 6:57. I've let them out. Majority of them are right there, and then there's 2 here, 3, 4. It looks like they're about to all get together. Those 2 groups. I hope you guys can see what I'm talking about. But yep, they all got together, and there's one that kind of fell off a little bit. Let me see. Yep, there they are. I'll try to follow them with the camera for at least a little bit. That one that fell off is in front of them now, so. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is leave about now, because they're heading roughly in the right direction already. Make a quick pit stop at the gas station on the way to grab a cup of coffee. And off to the house, so let's see who beats who. They'll have about an extra minute and a half while I get my coffee. And what are you 2 guys doing back here? Yeah, the rest of the group is well gone in the right direction, and there's these 2. I'll let them figure it out. So, all right. As I always say, don't want to drag it out for too long. It's already at like 12 minutes, so I will catch up with you guys at home. Okay, pulling back up to the house here. Didn't see anything in the sky, so on the way here. So yeah, I don't expect them to beat me home, especially on their first 6-mile toss, but we'll see when they come. I have a little bit of time to hang out in the backyard, otherwise I'll be looking through my back window. Oh, sorry. Didn't get enough sleep again. Like I said, I have a little bit of time to hang out in my backyard, so if they do come in the next 10-15 minutes, I'll get it on video. But if not, I'll just give you guys an update some other day. Just close the window and grab my coffee and we can go. Yeah, I didn't really hang out with them at all after I let them out. No more than a minute that I stood out there, so. But yeah, as you can see, the sky is empty, but they should be coming straight from that direction over there above that house roughly. That's, you know, if they fly in the line that they're supposed to. But other than that, yeah, I'm gonna pop in here real quick, and like I said, I got just about enough time to feed these guys, my breeders, and hang out for a few minutes, and gotta get inside, so hope you get well soon, buddy. Take the lock off. Alright, how many of you am I gonna have to yell at today? Oh, quite a few. That is unacceptable. But as I said, nobody's back yet, fairly expectedly. Alright, none of them even went back inside either, so everybody else doing really good. I'm gonna go ahead and take care of these guys here. I'm gonna feed them, and like I said, if in the next 10-15 minutes they show up, I'll try and get them on camera, but if not, I will see you guys at a later time. Take care. Alright, so there they are. It's been, I literally didn't even get to wash out the waters, so it's been maybe 4 minutes since I paused the video. There they are. 2 of them are already on the roof. and those guys are flying right there. So judging by the last couple of flights, they're gonna stay out there for at least another half hour, if not more. There they go. So yeah, two of them are already, the left and the right one, they've already landed, but there they are. So they've made it back, and after me maybe 5-6 minutes at the most, I feel like. So that's great compared to those other tosses. So that's it, guys. I will keep in touch throughout next week. Take care. See ya.